bodies of mass m and 5m and radii r and 2r are released in free space with initial separation between their centers equal to 12r. If they attract each other due to gravitational force only, then the distance covered by the smaller body before collision is 4.5r, 7.5r, 1.5r and 2.5r. Let us understand the question, which is two spherical bodies having r and 2r and the initial distance between them is 12r. Since after collision the distance between their centers will be 3r, so the distance traveled by both the bodies together will be 9r. So let us assume that this is the position where they collide and the distance is x. So the rest of the distance will be 9r minus x. So since they attract each other due to gravitational force and the forces are mutual, we can say that their center of mass is the same. So m1 x1 is equal to m2 x2. So first mass is m and x1 is x is equal to m2 is 5m and x2 is 9r minus x. So let us cancel the m since they are on the both sides of the equal sign. X is equal to 45r minus 5x. 6x is equal to 45r. X becomes 45 by 6r, which is equal to 7.5r. And we have got the answer, which is B.